What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This video is a continuation from the previous video, and I'm still on the roadside buying some fruits and vegetables, and then I'm going to take it back to Kumasi to my family. And so I just wanted to vlog and show you guys what that's like. I'm appreciative of her giving me a discount because sometimes they cheat me. The more I've been here, they don't cheat me as much. But and also you have to be confident.
Yes, I will be almost or Tibet mono. Namana, Wamana Pijam.
So she just said, "Oh, Ghana Ghana." So she said I should come with someone who's Ghanaian. Don't just come by myself. That's a good advice. Come to Ghana sometimes. Guys, we're here in Ejisul. We're getting ready. We're here in Ejisul. This is the late Yasantua's hometown, and we're here to just pick up some fruits and get some snacks on the roadside. So we found some mangoes, fresh mangoes on the street. Now, what's it about here saying? So I found some fresh watermelon on the roadside, and they've already cut it up, so you just have to buy however many you want. So she's cutting it up, and this is takes some skill right here. But basically, they cut it up and they put it in the bag. What's it? So I just got some asana, and I just wanted to try it because I've never tried it before. And the lady gave me a good amount. She didn't even charge me for it. It's really good. She put a little bit of milk in it. It's natural. It tastes like malt. So it has a little bit of a molasses taste to it, but it's not as bitter as molasses. It's good. It's good. And they actually made it cold, so it's not hot. That's nice of her to give me this without charging me. So, yeah. There's no way to throw away your trash in Ghana. I don't feel comfortable dropping my trash on the floor. We gotta do better. We need more trash cans in Ghana. So guys, she's cutting the yams, and in order to fry it, you have to take all the skin off first, and then she's gonna fry it. So these yams can be boiled or fried. So my auntie's over here making some shito. Shito is a hot pepper sauce that we eat with everything, and it goes really well with fried yams. Ma, dia na udigu.
Sour.
It's sour.
Yeah.
And sour. And sour again. I said
Emane.
fish. Emane.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so she's putting like some dried fish flavor, dried shrimp flavor in there, and I think they make it with onions. They make it with onions, ginger, pepper. Okay, looks good. This is the coal pot. This is the coal pot right here. She's putting some more charcoal. Dang, she did that with her bare hands. And she did. The yams are done. The yams are done. Very good, very crisp. And today was very fun, but exhausting. I'm hot and I'm ready to eat. Just relax. Well, thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. All right, bye. So this is what I was talking about. In Kumasi, they never give you a small amount. Never. Look at how big these these two fufus are. She gave me 2. I literally can eat, I literally can eat like a quarter, like from here down. But she really, Pacho bro. But she literally gave me 2 big fufus. Catch her almost said, wait, met me the kota. Kumasi de bia me ba. Na mo mama aduane bebre. Wait the dos. Hey. Nti wonjam. Wonfa baako. Na se mintimi ni we ya. Na se na ye ways. Ni mienu. Mate.
Iro.
Mate be iro.